Hey friends, this time we're going to make something else that I think everybody loves. And that is just your basic Beanee Weenies. We're going to try to match that Vandy Camp taste. Now they use some different ingredients. I've looked it up. It's quite a bit different, but we're going to try to match as close as we can. So before we get started, you know, this is Billy Teegarden in the kitchen. And before we get started, I'm going to ask you again, please. Got a lot of viewers, but I need more subscribers. More viewers would be nice too, and I need more shares and comments, please. So please go down and subscribe. Helps me more than you know. If you don't like me, remove me later. No commitment. Don't cost you nothing or anything. You know that. So, and please don't forget to share, like, comment, and turn on your notifications so you know when our next video comes out. Without further ado, let's see if we can match homemade Vandy Camp Beanee Weenies. Let's get started. Show you what we've got. Okay, I've already got my hot dogs cut up. These are just regular hot dogs. McConn's hot dogs, not beef hot dogs. And we're going to air fry these we just want to brown them a little bit. So we're going to air fry these on about 350 for about 4 minutes. So let's get that started. Okay. And now we've got pork and beans. We've got garlic powder. We've got Worcestershire sauce. We've got ketchup and mustard. We're going to use about a 1/4 cup of ketchup, about a tablespoon of mustard, and 1 to 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Just depends on the taste we want. And a little garlic powder and a tad bit of Worcestershire sauce and maybe a little bit of barbecue sauce. So let me get this mixed. I'm cooking this in my small crock pot. So let me get this mixed and I'll be back. Okay, friends, got our bean stuff made up. I just kept adding ketchup. I put a 1/4 cup of ketchup, tablespoon of mustard. I think about 4 or 5. These are Vandy Camp pork and beans now. 4 or 5 tablespoons of brown sugar, and probably 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, and a teaspoon or 2 of barbecue sauce, and a little bit of garlic powder. And is it perfect? Does it taste identical to Vandy Camp's? No, but it's pretty dang close. I'm sure they have a secret ingredient. You know what I'm saying? So let's get these a fixing. Let's a fixing them. Gonna fixing them, Grandpa. Fixing them, Grandma. Look here. Now all we're going to do, we've got this on low. Let me get one more. Let me get a taste of the bean here. You can't cook nothing unless you taste, you know. Tastes pretty good, folks. Really good. So all we're going to do, cover this, and it is on, whoop, that's on high. Okay, on low, and we're going to cover it. Let it cook 2, 3, 4 hours, something like that, just to get everything good mixed together, and we should be good to go. When we're done, I'll be back, and we'll give this a taste and see what we got. So don't go nowhere, friends. I'll be back in 2, 3, 4 hours. You might not want to wait 2, 3, 4 hours, but it ain't gonna seem that long, you know. Video time wise, that's for sure. Gonna seem like 10 seconds, but anyways, it's going to be 2, 3, 4 hours on my side. So anyways, get these covered, and my friends, we'll be back. I'll be back. Anyways, we'll be back. See you guys then. There we go. She's She says they taste just like Beanee Weenee's Bandicamp. Boy, she's really been into them. Must be good. There was 2 cans and a whole pack of hot dogs. Golly. That was 2 cans of beans. They must really be good. Let's just clean that out. And let us. Looks just like them, don't it? Tastes just like them. That is as close as you're going to get to Vandecamp's Beanee Weenees. And friends, while we're here, I've got something else on. Lima beans, or as we call them in the country, butter beans. Now, what we done, I soaked these all night in water, salt water, rinsed them off real good. All I've done is put them in my crock pot with some bacon and onions, salt and pepper. We're going to cook these for probably about 4 hours because they did soak overnight to soften them up some. And we'll have some great butter beans. So, friends, what'd you think? I showed you how to fix these Beanee Weenees. Try it. See what you come up with. I think they taste just like them. And honestly, who doesn't like Beanee Weenees? I sure do. We do. And then on the lima beans or butter beans, make sure you're the best to soak them all night and then rinse them really good. It cleans them off real good. Gets rid of any starches or anything, on the outside of them. Do that before you cook them. Some water, bacon, onion, salt, and pepper. You're good to go. And we're going to fix this some cornbread to go with that. Beans and cornbread. Hey, I was just talking about that last night. Talking about my grandfather. When he went, when we used to go to Dairy Queen after church, he would get beans and cornbread. Must have been on my mind. Anyways, I thank you guys so much. This is kind of a fairly short video, but a couple things in there, butter beans and Beanee Weenees and stuff. So, have you tried any of my videos? If so, what'd you think? Don't forget, please, to like, subscribe, comment, turn on notifications, and share this everywhere so my content gets out. But anyways, I thank y'all so much. Till next time, till Friday, I've already got a recipe lined up. Show you what it is then. But anyways, thank you all. Love you so much. Take care of yourselves and each other. It's cold out there. It is here in Kentucky. Everything was froze this morning. But take care of yourselves. And until next time, see ya.